y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton and today I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be really short and simple. It's going to be on this hair that I received from Hairspells, as you guys read by the title. In the past, I did a hair review for Hairspells before. They sent me like a very similar wig just like this, but each time I did a review, I chose the wig, but the first time I did it, I didn't get to choose the length. So this time I actually chose a longer length because when I tried their curly hair, I really loved it. So I was just like, why not try some more curly hair? So I love this hair. Everybody on my Snapchat and my Instagram have been asking me all the details on this hair. So I'm finally here to give y'all the review for it. I've actually been wearing this hair for about 3 weeks. And I'm super satisfied with the way that it's been thus far. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to be reading the specs from my phone. They sent me the information in the email. And if y'all are wondering, my outfit is from No Style USA. They sent it to me, you know. But like I said, I picked this wig out myself. It's their Peruvian 130% density virgin human hair deep wave lace frontal wig, 24 inches. So basically Peruvian deep wave full lace wig. It's not 360, but it does have some lace in the back if you want to do like a ponytail or a bun, which I have actually done a lot of styles with this hair. I've done like buns, ponytails, and little updos and stuff, but I just chose to wear it down for the purpose of this video so that y'all could see how it looks on me. Honestly, I have to say Hairspells is probably one of my favorite wig companies out. I usually never say that. Like I'll say, you know, a wig is my favorite wig, but like this hair company is the bomb. Like I tried their curly hair before and I loved it, so then I got this one and I love this one even more. As y'all can see, like y'all, I'm like 5'6", and this hair basically comes down like without being stretched out, kind of like my waist basically, but if I stretch it down it kind of goes to like my hip. Basically I'm going to the pros right now, but yeah, I really do like how the hair just I don't know, I just love it. It's thick, but it's not too thick, and it's just like it's not all over the place. It was pre-plucked. This is how the lace is looking. I have had my hair done like all day today, but this side is really not done right now. But if you just want to get like a detail of like what the lace looks like, I really did not pluck this hair like at all, and this is what it looks like customized with whatever they did to it, and I just did my baby hairs and slicked it down. I don't really like to have the real super naturalistic hairline. I like the baby hairs, so I do the baby hairs. Okay, this is a really nice wig if you are someone who doesn't really know how to do like good customization and detailing on a frontal. It has an adjustable strap in the back, so it fits really nice and snug on my head. And like I said, I was able to do multiple styles like ponytails and buns, which I really do like with this unit. It's really flexible. Like that's what I really like too. And I've done like a middle part, a side part, and no part, braids, everything. I'm inputting pictures of everything, okay? But yeah, this hair is like super duper bomb. I just had to come and say that I love this hair, and it's really cheap. Like I don't even think this wig is like over $200 realistically. Go check the price. But yeah, I'll have all the details for like the hair and the specifics for the wig that I picked. This is a small cap, and I think I got the regular natural lace color. I'll definitely make sure to mention that in the description box below for the details of the wig. This is not sponsored, okay? They just sent me this wig again, and I was so happy when they reached out to me because I'm just like, I love y'all. The wig that I had in the past, like I wore that hair and destroyed it for like I think I wore it like back to back for like 8 to 9 months. It stuck in there, but like I just had to let them know like, yeah y'all, I want some, I'm trying to get that long, you know? I'm trying to get that long, you know? Okay, I'm trying to think of these cons because it's not many that I could say, but like yeah, the hair sheds like any curly hair when you do comb through it. And I use a Denman brush when I do my curly hair. The Denman brush takes out all the kinks, and of course since it's taking out kinks it's gonna shed. But yeah, this hair does shed. It's not like too bad. I said I can handle it because this hair is really thick. 130% density isn't like super thick, but like I said, it's not super thin either. Like as y'all can see, y'all can't like see through my hair, you know, like y'all can't see in the back what it looks like. But you know, I feel like it's a pretty, like I feel like 130% density is like perfect. Like 150 is cool, but 130 is like perfect, you know. I am like a big fan of this unit. That's why I've had it on for so long. Literally I took it off and I washed it and I put it right back on my head. Like I wasn't ready to take it off. Ever have that feeling y'all just not ready to take off a wig? That's how I felt with Hairspells. And anybody can ask me what my favorite curly hair company is. It's gonna be Hairspells because it's the bomb. Inexpensive, really bomb, pre-plucked, and I'm giving y'all this real review. What else do you need to buy this hair, you know. It's just, you might as well purchase it. It's perfect. I get it if you don't like hair that sheds, but girl, if you wearing curly hair, you gonna get some shedding, you know. But it's really like not too much tangling or anything. I have slept on this hair like in a braid. I slept on it with twists, and I've just slept on it wild. And it's anytime I wake up, I'm always just still looking cute in the morning. And mainly what I do is just make sure I put down a scarf to lay down my edges, and in the morning I tweak them up, and then I wet the hair, and then I use my Denman brush and my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and boom. My curly hair routine will be in the cards, and I plan on making an updated one. I might make it with this wig, honestly, but let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see a curly hair routine, or y'all want to see a styling video, because somebody asked me to do like a styling video on how I did my buns and my braids and stuff. P.S. my mom did my braids for me because I don't know how to braid, y'all. My mom braids my hair for me. I did the buns and the ponytails myself, you know, gotta slick the little nappy naps down in the back. But I could do a tutorial if y'all want that. Comment down below if you want to see a tutorial on the styles that I did, or comment down below if you want to see a curly hair routine, or comment down below if you want to see both. Of course, I give Hairspells a 10 out of 10. Favorite hair company on the block, you know. I don't know what else I could ask for. A shout out to Hairspells. Thank y'all for sending me this unit. I love it so much. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like I said, all the details will be in the description box below for the details of this unit. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!